Welcome back for another update, Kendal. I'm happy to report, as you can see, it's a beautiful day out here. Behind me, you can see we've got our forms framed up for the sidewalk. You can also see these, what look like large paper towel rolls, are your sono tubes for the footers for your bollard lights that are gonna light up this courtyard really nicely. Behind the camera, we've got our slab gonna be poured and footers for the pavilion that flanks the parking lot. On either side of the parking lot, we've got our covered walks and the carports. The roofing is done, the brick is done, concrete is poured, and we're really making progress out here. Behind, you can see from the last video, we had almost no siding on the building, but now we've got siding all the way around the front here, all the way around the back, and just in the last day and a half or so, we've been working on getting the vertical V-groove, which is a little bit different from the other siding on the building, the board and batten, but that's going in outside the gathering room. Here we are in IL6, one of the IL units here in this northernmost wing. You can see we're really coming along in here. This whole wing, we've got flooring in, countertops in, we got our island lights in, and you can also see some wires hanging down from the cabinets over here. That's gonna be for the under cabinet light. It's gonna be a nice wall wash and effect and provide some nice lighting here in the room. All right, here we are, still in the C1 corridor. This is the C1 living room. Behind the camera and off to the side here, we've got stained grade built-in cabinetry. There's gonna be a television on the wall with a nice fireplace and low mantle down here. As you can see, we're getting the flooring in the corridors, as well as the resident rooms or the personal care rooms here. And then off to my right, we've got a Montessori alcove that walks out to a nice patio overlooking the dog park and north parking lot.